Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are looking at fluid analysis series. So in this video, we are looking one more question like how can we use fluid analysis instance of BR. So I will let you know the question. So question is like in an incident may contain server several incident tasks. When parent task is closed, then all associate child tasks should be closed automatically, right? So we can do this with the help of BR, but in this video today I will show you the how can we achieve this same functionality with the help of flow denier. Okay, so I will open my instance. Here we are in an instance. So I will open the incident. I will let you know the scenario. What scenario we can achieve with the flow denier. So first I will open. Just suppose we have a this incident and we open that incident, and as of now you can see this is a closed one, so we can take another one. Those are in suppose we take this one. This is a state is new. Now here you can see in the child instead we don't have anything, so we can add it for our scenario. Suppose I have add some incident. Suppose I have three incident. Okay, so our scenario is like I will make these instance as state. I will change. Suppose we make the in progress, and we have refreshed that incident. Okay, suppose our scenario is like when we have make the state of parent incident should be resolved. In that case, all child tasks, all child incidents should be automatically closed, right? So how can we achieve? So for that one, we can open the flow designer. We have opened the flow designer. We can create a one new flow for this requirement. It take time to load. Now here you can see we can just create a new flow, click on new and click on flow, and clicking on new flow, then we have to provide the name of that flow. So we can write resolve child incident. Okay, and just click on and make as run as system user and click on build flow. After clicking on that one, you can see we have a trigger condition. So like we have to set when this flow is triggering, right? So our scenario is like when the parent incident value should be resolved. So we just make it as click on that trigger condition and we just make it as update one, right? Click on update and we have to select the table in which table we have performed this action. In this current scenario, we are performing this table in incident one, incident. So you have to select the table name is incident and make the condition. Click on here, you can see, click on conditions, add filter condition. Now here you can see we can add the condition like parent incident, like parent incident is make parent incident. Okay, parent incident state. I think just give me a 1 minute. Parent, click on reference, then you have to write a state. Mhm. Click on yeah, click on state. State should be resolved. This instance will be triggered when parents incident task state should be resolved, right? So click on done. Now here you can see first what we have to do. Now we have to just fetch the record. Those are attached with that parent one, right? Suppose in this current scenario we have a three incident. So first we have to fetch these three incident. Then we have to update the state, right? So how can we do that one? So for that one in that flow we have a lookup record. So just click on right lookup and click on service now. Now here you can see lookup record and lookups records. Click on lookup records and now you have to select the table. Table should be like that from the table we have created. Click on this one and incident table. And now you have to take the filter condition. So condition should be like parent. Parent incident is a the trigger one that we have take. Click on that one and click on incident record. Okay, then click on done. After taking that lookup records, like fetching the incident, so we can just update the record, update the state of the child incident, right? So for that one we can do with that flow logic. So we can take one record. So we have a for each loop for that one. So we just click on the for each, and now you just take the lookup record and incident one and click on done. And after that this thing is done, then it will take the one by one record, and after that we have to update the record. So we have to action task is the update record. We have update record, so click on that one. And now we just take the incident record, and now here you can see we have a field, so we have to make the field is state should be resolved. So make it as a resolved. And here you can see one more thing I will let you know. Once you are just like here, I just make the state should be resolved. At that time you can see we have a resolution code. These are two things that are mandatory, right? Like we have to put the resolution code and resolution note. Without that filling you can't submit, or like without that things you can't update that record, right? So we have to map this thing also for the child one. So here you can see in that add field you can write resolution resolution code. So in that case we can take the dynamic one. So just suppose if we close that parent record, so at that time we have filled that resolution code and resolution note, so we can take it from there. So just here you can see we are data picker. Click on that one, and trigger condition is there, so click on that one, and here you can record is there. Then you can write resolution. Now here you can see resolution code is there, so we have to map that one. Click on that one, it will map. Then also click on the resolution notes. This is the mandatory condition, mandatory field that you have to fill. So resolution notes, and same thing we have to done. Click on trigger, incident, and resolution notes. Okay, then click on done. After click on done, you can just make this flow as active. Just click on for testing. I will just click on activate this flow. I will click on activate. Now here you can see this flow is activated, and let's see, now we have to refresh that incident. As of now we can see the status of this incident is new. Now here you can see the state of incident is new, and the related child instance, we have a state is in progress, right? So I will open one more incident. Here you can see I open that incident. Here you can see the nodes. We don't have any resolution nodes. So as of now, the resolution nodes and the resolution code is empty. Okay. So let's see. We have to activate that flow, and we just to make that state should be resolve and make it. And we have to write the resolution code for that one. Suppose you have a resolved by the caller, and for the we can do testing. Okay, make it as testing and click on save. After clicking on save, you can see all here. You can see the child incident are the resolved, right? So I will open the first one, and I can see you can see the things, right? Whatever we have mentioned the comment resolved by the caller and resolve copies is the incident one. These things are coming from where? From here also, that we have done with the help of update set, right? Whatever the things are updated from the parent one, the same thing is copied in the child one. Okay. If you want to if you want to show this execution one, so click on here the right more action menu, click on there, and now you click on execution. If you click on execution, then you can see as of now we don't have this thing, so just give me a 1 minute. So here you can see this is the flow that executed. So for that one, like incidents is condition is like, so this is the incident that we have take, right? This is the parent one, sorry, child one. Okay, this is the incident. So this is the incident. Then you can see here, you can see we just refresh that page, refresh that incident. Now here you can see the state is resolved, and now our flow is like triggering execute, right? Trigger is fine. So here you can see we have three records, like it will execute one by one. Like first these are the three records that we have attached in the parent one, parent incident. These are child one. So based on that one, they trigger and update the state and closer by the caller and testing, right? Here you can see this is a thing. So here you can see, I will show you the flow once again. This is the flow that we have created. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.